Hey guys, and welcome back to Gravey's Brewery with me, Gareth Goes Gravy. And then guys, for this video, as you can see, I've been at it again. It's been brew day, and as you can see from the title, for this one I've actually gone and modded a Punk IPA all grain kit. For this one, rather than use the hops that come with the kit, there was the Brookly Brew Shop Punk IPA kit. I actually had some Mosaic hops that needed using up, so I thought I would use them in place. I don't really like those little packs that come with the Brookly Brew Shop kits. I prefer getting bigger packs of hops and measuring out the hops that way. I don't like having to measure out the bigger or those small packs that come with the Brookly Brew Shop kits. It's a lot more difficult to measure those out, especially when you've got to keep to a particular recipe. This one, I'll pop it down in the description. Little rough hop schedule that I put together. I don't exactly know what makes up the grain bag for the kits. If you've got a Brookly Brew Shop book, or the book I should say, it might have it in there. I can't exactly tell you what the measurements for the grains are off the top of my head, but anyway, that's really what I wanted to show you today, just show you this. And I do have some ready on the go. Yes, I did finally get round to brewing the Mosaic Smash that I originally intended to brew. There's the particulars for that. And I recently bottled another Brookly Brew Shop kit, the Chocolate Porter. Now, for those of you in the know, you're probably thinking to yourself, isn't it the Chocolate Maple Porter? Yeah, guess what? Guess which ingredient I forgot to get? The maple syrup. Don't think we have maple syrup here in the UK. I'm saying that, I've never personally seen it. So, yeah. So anyway, that's how that is that low. I actually have a bottle in the fridge of the porter that I may sample this evening. I will let you know what it tastes like. So this was just a quick video just to let everybody know that I am still around and that I am still brewing, and these are my latest offerings. Alright guys, well that's all I've got for you for now. So until next time, this has been Gareth Goes Gravy from Gravey's Brewery. I'll see you later. Cheers.